I welcome you back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn the following Dinka words. Change from Dinka to English word. 1. Ming. Ming. Ma. Ing. Ming. Ming mean deaf. Deaf person. Ming. Ming. Ma. Ing. Ing. Ming. Ming mean deaf people. This is the plural of Ming. Ran Ming. Ran Ming. Ran Ming mean deaf person or deaf man. Deaf person. Ran Ming. Coach Ming. Coach Ming. Coach Ming. Coach Ming mean deaf people. Deaf people. This is the plural form of Ran Ming. Adwan. Adwan. A da u anya. Adwan mean disabled man. Disabled man. Adwan is also a name of a Dinka female name. So we used to name Adwan. Female can be named Adwan. So it's very common. Adwan. Adwan. Adwan mean disabled. This is a plural of this one. Disables. Adwan. Disables. It's a plural of Adwan. Ngol. Ngol. Nga. Ola. Ngol mean cripple. Crippled. Chor. Chor. Chor mean blanch. Blanch. Chor. Chor. Chor mean blanch. Plural. A mule. A mule. A mule or a mole. A mole or a mule mean crazy person. Crazy person. Rankin a mule. This person is crazy. Mule. Mule. Mule mean craziness. Craziness. Mule. A bell. A bell. A bell mean dumb. Dumb person. You are dumb. In a bell, you are dumb. Bell. Bell. Bell mean dumbness. Bell. Babe. Babe. Babe mean witchcraft. Witchcraft. Babe. A babe. A babe. A babe mean what? A babe mean what? Write it for me. This is your work, guys. A babe mean what? Let me know it. Babe. Jit. Jit. Jit mean sorcerer. 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 Jit. Yenakan. The End by William Majak. Deputy Tongyang, South Sudan. This is the end of our video. Please follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like our video, share our video to your loved ones so that we all learn Dinka language together. Thank you very much. I'm William Majak, Deputy Tongyang. New video is coming soon. Bye bye.